Hi there, hello, welcome to my little workshop. Today I'm gonna show you the tools I'm using for laptop repairs and for electronic repairs in general. We're gonna walk through it from right to left and we're gonna check it out. This is my cat, Fifi. She's helping me repair stuff. Hi. Alright, so let's get right to it. Okay, this one. I bought this maybe 2005, if I remember correctly. So this is like 20 years old. It works flawlessly, never had any problems with it. The only thing that's broken is this holder. Sometimes I pull it out and it falls apart. Now it's fine, but I don't want to worry about it. It has character. I like it. So it's all chipped and old, but it works. The only thing I don't like about it is the tip design. It has these small tips, so it's kind of hard to change tips, especially when it's hot. You have to unscrew this and then you need to bash this out. It's all hot and yeah, it's not very practical, but I don't change tips that much. And this tip also, this is like 15 years old. It's gonna disintegrate any day now, but it's good quality tips. This also, I mean, this is just, it's nice to work with, unlike the Axion. This one, I like the system, I like the stand for it and the quick tip change. That's awesome, but the tips are not good. It just doesn't take solder. I don't like it. So if I understand it correctly, the JBC tips should fit on that. So then that would make sense. Then that would be an excellent station. But I mean, I need 2 tips for the big iron and 2 tips for the smaller one. So that's like 35 euros a pop. So 150 for 4 tips. I'm not doing that. So this is just sitting here and collecting dust. But Weller, I bought it for, I think it was like 120 euros back then, and it's going strong. I like it. And it has the power switch in front, unlike this one. What's up with that? You have to reach behind to turn it on. This good. And it's still, you can buy it still. VS81, I think it's PU 81. It's an 80 watt. 80 watt solder. Yeah, what is that? VSP 80. VSP 80. Alright, next thing in line is this microscope. It's an Andon Star, I believe it's AD 402 Pro. And I have this for like 2 years maybe now. It was 240 euros and it works good. I mean, I don't have any problems with it. Well, I do have a problem with it. Now that I'm filming the YouTube videos, I need to have it in PC camera, so it's connected to the PC over there. And when I have that on, you have this big black square here on the top and it's in the way. So yeah, that's not ideal, but it works fine. You have enough space to work underneath. Let me bring it here. you do really have enough space, so it's like, it's good. I like it. The stand, well, the stand is from the, it's just a microscope stand. I'm Scope or whatever it's called, I don't know. I bought this used locally, so I get like lucky to find this here. And it works good, you know. It can swivel, it can pivot, it can go up and down. It's very heavy, very sturdy. Yeah, I recommend this. The mounting bracket, I printed this with my printer here. So yeah, I designed it, printed, and it works well. This is the original mounting bracket for the original stand, and that is not good. If you have anything bigger than a cell phone, you can't use the original stand that came with this microscope. But yeah, it's good. I would like to try the optical one, but I don't know. I don't want to spend 600 euros to try it. No. Okay, that's that. Would I buy it again? Maybe. I don't like this. This shouldn't be here. I should look for a firmware update. Maybe they fixed it. Yeah, I don't think so. The power supply. You can see the model. It's too long for me to read it. This one was bought, I believe it was 2002 or 2003. So it's even older than my Weller station. 20 some years. This was actually bought by the company I worked for back then. It was a mobile repair shop. They bought it new, and then later on I bought this from them. It's a 32 volt 2.5 amp unit. It's just a basic analog linear power supply. Yeah, it works good, and there is nothing much to say about it. I don't use it anymore. I have a modern power supply, but I keep it here for sentimental reasons. I don't want to put it away and basically never see it again. So yeah, it's a good backup and works well. Okay. Alright, this thing now. Oh, it's the uni-t UDP 3205 SE. E maybe stands for economy model. Maybe it's a lower tier than the standard one. I believe it's less accurate or something. But the power button feels good. Yes. Alright. You have 3 channels. First channel, you have a selector here. Second channel, third channel. Those two are 32 volts, 5 amps each. And the third one is 3 amps, I believe. Let's see. Voltage 32. Maximum 6. Okay, it's 6.2 volts and 3 amps. I rarely use third channel. I have those two. So you have the quick select on the third channel. You know, if you need 5 volts, you have it there, you know, right away. How do you set voltage? Well, select the first channel. You can go voltage here, and you can adjust the voltage. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, you can zoom in. Press this. You can, you know, bring the channel up. You can see better now. So you have this, then you can move the digit. You have that, and this. Also, you can just type. I need like 12 volts, and that's it. It's the same for the current limiter. Current, I want 0.8 amps, and that's that. And you can also do this. So yeah, works great. I usually leave it like this. You turn the channels on here. You can turn all off or all on. And it's a good unit, you know. Unit 19, 19.5. You want 2 amps and you're ready to go. It's a linear power supply. It works good. You have this LED here. Okay, let's go on the second channel. This LED here, down there, can you see it? If I do a short, what do we have? 1.2 amps. It goes red, so you can check that. If you have more voltage, maybe 15 volts. Voltage 15 volts. Okay, second channel. Current 0.2. You do hear clicking, and that's a clue also when you're repairing electronics. You can hear that, so it gives you a clue that you reach the limiter or that you have a short. Okay, it's good. You have also, okay, this is 5 amps, this is 5 amps, but you can put this in parallel mode. Then you have both channels in parallel, so you can go up to like 10 amps, current 10.4. Yeah, you can go 10.4 amps at 32 volts. Okay, so this is a lot of power. You don't want to mess with that. But if you need it, you know, you have it. Parallel mode, you have a serial mode also. Then it's in serial. You see how you should connect the probes. And then you have 64 volts at 5 amps. That's that. I mean, for the money, it's just a great unit. Use it all the time, didn't have any problems with it. Of course, you have over voltage protection and over current protection. If you want to use that, you have that here. It will just cut off the power if, you know, for instance, now if you turn it on, if something takes more than 1 amp, it's gonna shut off. Maybe it's useful for someone, I don't use it. Connectivity, it does have the USB and it has the Ethernet port, so you can connect it to the PC and, you know, have it integrated in the OBS, or you can look at the current graph and voltage graph and all that stuff. Good unit. I would buy it again. I like it. Okay, it's sorting time now.
Jaroslav, good morning.
Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, next thing is the multimeter. Again, Uni-t, as you can see, UT8804E. Works good. I'm happy with it. Boot time is not too long, but you know, it's there. It's good. Fast. It's fast enough. Yeah, I mean decent. Yeah, it's good. Beeper is excellent. It doesn't miss. You can just, you know, you can stab on the board and look for short. It's gonna beep. That's good. Diode mode also works fine. And you have all the bells and whistles, the relative, the peaks, and you can do the AC and DC measurement. If you're not sure what you're doing, let me power on the power supply. So you have 15 volts DC and no AC, right? And if you stab it in the AC, it's gonna measure that. So that's a thing, I don't use that. What else? Min max. Says somewhere it found 16 volts, average 10, minimum 4. Yeah, who knows what that is. Okay, let's reset that. Reset. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, okay. You know, it has the high voltage indicator, so if you go, I believe, over 30, we are 29, 30. What is it? Yeah, 30 volts. It's slow now. If we reset, yeah, it's faster now. Okay, 30 volts, and you got the high voltage warning over here. Okay, well, it's good. How much it costs? Maybe 250, 230, somewhere around there. I bought this and this together at a local company here in Croatia, and I get a good price. I couldn't find better price even on the internet, so yeah. Okay, I like it. It's bright enough. It's here. I don't have to, fiddle around with this thing. It's here and there and it's falling over, and yeah, it's good. I recommend. Another tool worth mentioning is the thermal cam Infrared P2 Pro. Paid around maybe 300 euros here in Europe, and it's just small, too small maybe. You got the macro lens and the normal lens, I guess. What is that? Then you just plug it in your phone and you're good. You have to install the application, of course, but I have it set up on my PC, so I can show you that. Plug it in, connect the device, and here we go. So that's the thermal cam, and it works great. I like it. On the phone it works even better. This is with micro lens, so you can really get into it. Yeah, that's not good. So this is the macro lens. I take it off, and you have the normal lens. Yeah, great tool. Issues? Yeah, I do have issues when connecting to the PC. If you can see now, the flickering. Sometimes it's there, sometimes not, but yeah, on the phone it works perfect. So maybe it's the cable, I don't know. Yeah, thermal cam. I like it. I didn't use these big gun ones, the huge ones, but I mean, this seems more practical to me. I don't know. It's good. I recommend. Okay. The hot air station. I mean, this one is probably the best seller of the hot stations ever. It's the Aten ST862D, and I'm used to it. I like it. Works great. And yeah, you have some presets here. You have the air adjustment, temp adjustment. I wish this was like in 5 increments. Like, I don't need 53%. And if you hold it, then it's too fast. It's not too fast. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, all this button is stuck. I mean, all this Chinese like user interfaces is not, it's not very good, but it works fine. When you put it back, it turns off. It's a solid unit. How much? I don't know, 230 probably, 240, 220, somewhere around there. Do I like it? I do. I'm used to it and it works great. BIOS programming, we have the CH341s. I use this one, you know, all the time. Don't have any problems really with it. This is a 1.8 volt adapter, and this is, I guess, 3.3 volt mode, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I use this. It is, I don't know, they say it's slow, but I never had anything faster, so it's fast enough for me. This is, I believe, a new one. CH341A Prog 1.7. It does have the voltage selector. Yeah, this works fine. And this is the same as this one. So yeah, few of those, I don't know, works fine. Should I upgrade? Probably. Will I? Probably not. Maybe. I don't know, it works. And it costs what? I don't know. 10 euros, 15 euros maybe. Good. iFixit Pro Kit. Good stuff. Good stuff. You have all the bits you need. iPhone bits, Phillips, Torx, straight ones, square ones. Everything you need you have there. Good quality. Feels nice, feels good. Everything is here in one place. I don't have to, you know, look for it around. The extension flexible. It's nice. Here's some, you know, picks and tweezers and stuff. Suction cup for the screens. You can just take it out, put it, you know, near you, and you can work. Some other tweezers. That's what I have. This dentist picks, pry bars. This, yeah, good kit. You should buy it. Charger, Ugreen, 100 watt, 4 outputs, 3 USB-C and 1 A, some thick USB-C cables, plug it in, and yeah, use it to charge phones and to test laptops and charge laptops and that kind of stuff. Works good, feels good, heavy, compact. I like it. Yeah, Ugreen, they have a lot of options. You can check it out. Happy with it. Another thing I use often is this turbo fan for cooling the boards, or I don't know, blowing some dust. Yeah, cover your ears. Yeah, works good. And you have a vacuum like this. Okay, I mean, worth having. USB-C charger here. Have the light, battery indicator, and lots of stuff. I don't even know how this works. I only use this one and that one. Yeah, okay. Electric screwdriver maybe. I wouldn't bother. I'm not using it like at all. It's slow. I don't know, I don't use it. Don't waste your money. Okay, that's a quick view of that. Right, power meters. We have some USB power meters also, just cheap ones. I don't know, they work fine. I can show you. Plug that in, plug the charger in. Okay. 5 volts. Yeah. It's restarting, should be 9, yeah, 9. 1 amp. Yeah. It works. This one. Other way around. And the same thing. Nine volts, 0.8 amps. Yep. Okay. Laptop charger. I saw this one on Sorin's video, so I just bought it. You have a few plugs. The only thing that's missing is the Asus gaming laptops. I don't have that one, but that's rare here. The cable that came with it, it was the USB-C cable. So I chopped that off and put these plugs for the power supply. Yeah, plug it into the power supply and you are good to go. Lenovo. Plug it in and you can test. The cable is a bit short now, but I'm close to the power supply, so I managed. Yeah, maybe 30 euros. I think I paid 30 euros. I'll try to find it and put the link down below. Yeah, that's good. Another tool I used often is this air compressor over here. Blowing dust, cooling off things, inflating tires, you know. You just need to have it. I have it connected to this retractable hose here. It's like 20-meter hose. Have the gun here. Yeah, it's empty now. Yeah, I use it all the time. I can take it outside there, blow out some desktop computers, blow out some dust, and yeah, it works fantastic. I like it. And I have this thing here in case a LiPo decides to burst into flames. Maybe I can save the workshop with it. Hope that never happens. That's about it for the tools. I have my PC here where I can test some desktop stuff. My monitors here. My workbench, I have a 3D printer there. My TV. Here I can chill, relax, have a coffee, maybe a beer, watch the TV. Alright, hope you liked it. If you have any question, suggestions maybe, critiques, type it down in the comment. If you liked it, press the like button, you know, help the guy out a bit. They say it's good for the channel. So yeah, these things. I printed those cable holders. You can just hang the cables here so they're not on the workbench all the time. That works good. I need to extend this. I need to print more here. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.